Hey guys, it's part 3 of Dad's Galaxie build. Just a little update of what's going on. As you can see behind me, the interior is finished for now. Got the nice carpet in, the door panels, and the saddle blanket seat covers just for now until we get our new seat covers in January. I think this looks great. My mother has done a wonderful job with it. She still needs to put the headliner in. She's waiting on an emblem to do that. The interior will be pretty much finished once the seats and headliner are in. On this episode, we are going to try to get the car to run off of its own tank and a mechanical fuel pump instead of the electric fuel pump and gas can ghetto setup I had up there just to get it to fire, which is all fine and dandy to hear it to run, but I want it to be able to drive. I want him to be able to walk, like my dad to walk in here and just turn the key and have no issues. So you'll see the whole process of what we had to go through to do that. We're also going to be putting a different carburetor on it than what was on it, because the one that was on it was just junk, and there's no way that it would have been dependable enough or even be able to really drive down the street. So I have an abundance of carburetors on the shelf, 2 barrels and 4 barrels. So I found a 2 barrel that was off I think it was a 78 or 79 Ford Bronco or pickup. I'm not really sure which one it came off of. So we are going to rebuild that, slap that on there. We're also going to do spark plugs, points, wires, and rotor. Just try to get it to run smooth as possible. I just want, on the reveal day, I just want to be able to just start it, no issues, just walk out here, tap the key, and go. That's also going to be on this, the reveal, which is going to be really cool. I can't wait to see my dad's reaction. It's going to be really awesome. You're going to see my buddies Zach and Tyson on here. They are giving me a hand right now because I'm still in the sling. I got a little bit of movement, but I can't do any weight or anything like that. So I really appreciate their help. Those guys are awesome. Anyway, enjoy. Let's get started. That should be enough to probably figure out whether it's going to pump or not.
Yep, she's a pumping. That looks like fluid to me.
Sweet.
Yep.
Slam that hose. I want to see if we can hear any bubbles coming out of here. Nothing. See if that works. It should bubble if it does. Shooting dusty gas out of somewhere.
Gas cap off?
Yeah, it's off. It looks like regular gas. Only if you had smell-o-vision, because that shit's terrible. That looks terrible.
Starting fluid? A little bit on the fucking battery.
Oh yeah, I just completely doused the engine with gas, and you know that would be sufficient. Oh yeah, oh perfect. Yeah.
Yep, like that.
Perfect.
Yep.
That's how we roll.
Precise amounts.
Stays running, then.
More fuel than right on there.
So I found an extra 2-barrel up in the storage, and we decided to rebuild that. So we're gonna swap them out. Maybe it'll run better when we can actually drive it. Nothing like a little bit of overkill to cut a freaking vacuum advance line. Oh yeah. Well, remember, we're safety first. Oh yeah, that'll work for now. Hey, look at that. It's nice and flat. I like it. Keep going until the plug comes out, which should be pretty soon if it's at loose. Okay, there you go. Nice job.
How does that work?
Oh yeah, it looks dirty.
Ready to go.
As tight as you can. Once you can't get it any tighter, then put the ratchet on it. All right, good job. Pull out, man. Yeah. Keep going until it falls off. Huh? Did it come out? Yeah, it came out. Pull it out and grab the.
Alright. Yeah, now you don't. There you go. New one?
This should be interesting. Woo!
Nothing on that, though.
Park drop. Be careful of that seat. So what we did is we had it running right, or running decent, and it backfired. And then what it did is it blew the gasket out right here because it's like a little port. And it really didn't go to anything, so Zach just is gonna put some quick steel on that, cover that hole, made a new gasket, and then we're gonna slap it all back together, see if we can get it to run better. Because before you open the choke, the damn thing would just die. So it's just sucking too much air. And then we found the kick down linkage was not hooked up. So we're gonna hook that up real quick, find a pin for it. My mom's actually in there working on the window regulator. Probably trying to get the window out. So we're trying to get the regulator out, and this piece right here is bent in a 90. almost
The
triangle.
only place I'm gonna be able to cut is right at this arm right there.
Well, window rolls up and down.
Sorta.
For the most part. There we go. What a pain in the butt. Well, we're getting closer. But everything mechanically, I think we're good. Got the driver's seat getting bolted down right now. Zach's starting to work on the paint. Harper's helping him. Got a couple more days till the reveal day. Looking pretty good. Still a little rusty, but it looks better than it did. Man, this thing drives great. I just can't believe how far this thing has come from sitting in the field to cruising around the neighborhood like it's been doing it for years. This thing drives like a dream. The power steering works awesome. It just accelerates the way it should now. It's so smooth. I love these big old boaty 60s cars and 50s. Love 50s cars too. I'm just ecstatic in this thing, and I hope Dad will be too. I'm sure he will be. But everybody's been so helpful this whole process, and I can't thank them enough for everything that they've done.
Your grandpa.
Michael,
What?
happy birthday.
No shit.
Look out.
some money to put some money in that.
Why?
Oh, I mean, painted, and gigantic motor put in. Oh, look at that. You did all this.
Yes, I did.
Open it up. Wow.
Hmm?
My phone.
Can I get in? Oh, yeah. Don't get dirty. Wow, does this even work? Is it all there?
We haven't hooked it up yet, but it's all there.
And it runs pretty good?
Yeah, it runs okay. It's a 2-barrel I found up in the garage, and we rebuilt it, put it on there, and it runs pretty good actually.
You goddamn. Bitch.
Still needs a little bit of work here and there, but it's come quite a long way.
Out of the way.
You wanna go with me?
Yeah.
Okay. C6 or?
It's a Cruise-O-Matic. So I'm not sure if that's the C6 or not, or something like it. I don't think it is, because I know a lot of guys. Come on back, Dad. You're good. The brakes are a little hard. I actually didn't even have to go through them. They already worked.
They did.
Yeah.
Which way you want me to
Just
go?
goes up the hill if you want.
I'll just go up that way. This is nice.
Glad you like it.
I do like it. I love this. This is cool. So now I'm going to go to the car show. So
Huh?
you got another one to take to the car show.
Yeah, but I mean, this one's new. You know,
Yeah.
this is your car.
I'll take it. You can bet on that.
Wasn't the XL, but
Well, this is fine. This is. I'm not even. I kind of like this. Prefer it to a point. A little easier to work on. So you've had to have these guys help you work on this son of a bitch, huh?
he is Zach and Tyson have been busting our ass on this thing.
Yeah.
Tyson dropped the whole tank out of it. We went through all that. Zach's been polishing on it. He helped me do all the tune-up stuff. He's helped me do everything.